I'm on my way to meet Shell. She's down from Germany and she's got 2 pairs of my sneakers, one Adidas, one Nike, and also some Palace and Supreme stuff. So let's go. Namaskar. Thanks. Fake smile for the camera.
Everybody get your motherfucking roll on. I know shorty and she doesn't want no slow song. Had a man last year, life goes on. Haven't let that thing loose, girl, in so long. You been inside, know you like to lay low. I've been peeping what you bringing to the table.
What's up YouTube, it's Alan and I'm back with another video. Like you can see, a bunch of stuff lying on this table. I'm going to take the quick ones out of the way before we begin. Before we get into the video though, if you're new to the channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. I mean, I would say 2 thumbs ups, but there's only 1 thumbs up. Alright, so a big shout out to the guys at Lula. They came down to India. They were talking to me about how they want to bring streetwear brands to the Indian market. I'm working with them quite closely, so stay tuned. There's some interesting things coming your way. They obviously left me with some goodies like Young Americana shoe cleaning wipes, shit tons of stickers from Thrasher, Rip and Dip and the hundreds, and obviously they have these Rastaclad bracelets, nice ones. Ooh. Yeah, quite funky. And last but not the least, they gave me this Odd Future t-shirt. No, it's not off-white just because it says OF. So a nice Odd Future t-shirt. Reminds me of donuts. But then everything reminds me of food. Big things coming your way. Big things. I'm just gonna... Like you can see, it's an Acronym sneaker. Also the title says it anyway. I have a few t-shirts to run through. So I have, from the latest drop of Palace, a nice half sleeve tee. This is Palace, very basic, black and white, just like I like it. Oh yeah, another one, navy blue, full sleeve, although it's a bad idea for the summer in Bombay, a full sleeve Palace t-shirt. With that out of the way, first time ever I've gotten my hands on some Patta. So huge shout out to Shell, again my smuggler from Germany. A nice Patta t-shirt. And this one is my favorite Patta t-shirt actually. It's a Liger. So let's get down to the sneaker. But first some room service. Thank you. It's really good. So this is my second Acronym this year. Nice white clean box. The Nike branding there. Red label right there. A Nike glossy debossed? Or is this embossed? I always get confused, I'm sorry. It's a slightly raised one. So what is that? Debossed, embossed? Let me know in the comments. And obviously just that one bit of Acronym hit right here on the box. Let's pop the lid open, get the sneaker out. The quality of this box. Basic paper, basic white paper. It's got Nike branding on it. My first ever Vapormax. Well, first things first, when the Vapormax came out last year, I wasn't crazy about them. I still am not crazy about them. I just think it's a little weird looking sneaker. I mean, it looks like a football cleat almost, right? This thin upper, especially when it's in a mock finish. At least the utility ones, which had a little mid-top kind of a thing going with those laces running high, they look a little chunky, but this kind of is a very weird looking shoe. And I've tried them on. I don't think comfort is A1 on them, but I just liked the entire concept of this specific Vapormax. I mean, I love the CDG Vapormax that came out before the actual Vapormax, I guess, on Air Max Day last year. Yeah, I love those shoes because the slip-on and the detailing, minimal, very minimal. And this one, to the contrary, is so fucking loud. So you know how Acronym adds a lot of detailings like zippers and all of that utility for easy access and so on. this is the first time they've actually picked a futuristic sneaker. I mean, it's a modern sneaker. The Air Force Ones, the Prestos are all retro sneakers. So they didn't do much to improve on it, except throw in this funky print and these fucking volt hits right there and there. I don't think there's any improvements made to the air unit either. But what they did was put in a lot of effort to make sure that when this Flyknit stretched out, it didn't look distorted. So what they did was make the Flyknit in such a way that it sat distorted when you just had a pair in your hand, but when you slip your feet in, they look good. You obviously have fused heel cup right here. It's quite reinforced to give you that support. It's got a mini swoosh right there. It says Acronym in small branding right there and Vapormax on the other side. And obviously you have this volt lining which says Acronym again on it. On the tongue, just the Vapormax branding and this volt hit. And on the lateral side, it says Acronym Dynamics with Acronym logo. The mini swoosh there again. And that's about it. What I also like about the sneaker is that the air unit has a matte finish. I think about 80% of it. The toe box area is clear, it's translucent like the off-white Vapormax, but the rest of it is like, it looks like it's painted on really. I hope it doesn't scratch out with use. And also when you go to the bottom of it, it's all clear. On the toe box area you can see the Acronym logo right there. The rest of it is all a matte white. The interesting bit is the insole. I have not been able to figure out what it says. Let me pull it out first. There you go. If anybody can tell me what this says right here, I would really appreciate it. It says Acronym Nike Air right there, that I know. But what does this say? I've tried reading it from different angles. I don't know. Do you know what it says? If you do, let me know in the comments below, please. I really want to know. So that's about it, about the details of the sneaker and the first impressions. I'm gonna now slip these on feet really quickly to show you what they look like. And until the next time, you guys, peace.